Ha! I am Mario the Maker Magician, and I am so excited to tell you about Family Maker Camp. Family Maker Camp is going to bring you featured makers and fun projects every week with objects that you have at home. This is for all ages. It doesn't matter how old you are. Family Maker Camp is a great way to get kids engaged in self-directed, project-based learning and exploring. And we're going to be helping you along the way with live weekly sessions. I'll be doing some do-it-yourself magic, I'll be showing you some robots, and we'll even have dance parties. And there's even going to be support for parents too. We're going to have tips and resources. We'll have a weekly check-in. We're going to call it a Maker Parent Happy Hour. There's a playbook on our site to get you started. Go to makercamp.com, sign up now! Da, da, da. And you know what the best part is? It's free, and it's brought to you by the members of Make Community. If you like what you see and you want to support, become a member today at make.co. So what's coming up this week? Well, I'll tell you what's coming up this week. Give me 1 second. Oh! Ah! My eyeball! Oh my goodness! Where did my eyeball go? My eyeball! This is terrible! Oh, okay. What's coming up this week? Well, we're kicking things off tonight at 8:30 p.m. Eastern Time with Maker Parent Happy Hour. Friday at 4 p.m. I will be going live with a do-it-yourself magic trick that you can make right at home and perform right away. And this is what's so cool. It's all objects that you probably have at home right now. If you want to know the list, I will tell you now so that you can have it all ready for Friday at 4 p.m. Eastern Time. What you need is just Scotch tape, paper, crayons, scissors, and a Ziploc bag. And we're gonna build an awesome magic trick that is funny too. You know what you can do in the meantime? Is if you go to makercamp.com, you can actually submit your own maker projects. So if you have maker projects of your own, submit them at makercamp.com so that we can all share together. You know, that's what's so amazing about the maker community, is how when we share everything, we all become stronger. Oh my goodness, wait a second here. Oh my!